welcome you all. Session today, we'll briefly go over the many different parks programs that are situated within the park. The park is located in Lassen Hall 2200. Our operating hours are Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. As you know, everything is online virtually, and we are on Zoom until we get further notice to come back. All tutoring appointments will remain online at the moment. We also have Park After Dark hours for students who are busy with school and work during the day. We offer accommodations for late night evening tutoring. We have 2 satellite locations, one in the ARC 2004 and the other one in Riverview Hall, classroom 1106A. Hours are Monday through Thursday from 5 to 7, and then Monday through Wednesday from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Here are the 5 different programs we offer in the park. The workshop and individual tutorials, which is the WIT program, the peer-led advising for college experience, the PLACE program, Supplemental Instruction, SI, Supplemental Instruction plus SI, and the Sankofa Intercultural Leadership Workshop. Tutoring, the WIT program. Park offers free peer one-on-one tutoring or group tutoring for specific subjects. Currently, we offer over 30 plus subjects and courses across campus, subjects in accounting, biology, chemistry, computer science, English, writing, math, psychology, physics, stats, political science. Here's our latest data in terms of the subjects offered and also the demand. STEM subjects are always the most popular, so physics, biochemistry, and then math is the second most popular, along with writing and English. Psychology is pretty popular too as well, computer science, and also communication. The workshop. So Park offers weekly and in-class workshops that foster academic and professional development, as well as students' wellness, including time management, study skills, how to talk to professors, apply for grad school, self-care, and more. So we offer a variety of different topics, academic skills, professional skills, and self-care too as well. Offer weekly workshop topics once a week throughout the semester, and in-class workshops that are requested by faculty across different disciplines and departments. Every fall, Park hosts an annual fall workshop conference. This fall, it looks like it's going to be on the webinar. We offer a whole day workshop consisting of 12 to 16 different topics on tips on graduating in 4, APA, MLA citation, study skills, how to find a job on campus, the imposter syndrome, and many more. The dates for this event will be announced later on once we figure out, right, if we're gonna go back in the fall or not. Most likely it looked like it will be online, it will be in a webinar format. The peer advising, the PLACE program consists of 4 different populations for the purpose of the Garden Scholars to mentor, foster youth, and provide them with effective study skills. The second year success program, the purpose of that program is to mentor second year students that are on academic probation and also at risk. The third program is a combination of the pre-nursing and the pre-dental and the pre-med. So the purpose of that program is to offer mentorship for pre-nursing students and passing GE courses. And finally, we have the Odyssey program. The purpose of that program is to offer mentorship for poli-sci students. Irina will briefly explain supplemental instructions and supplemental instruction plus.
So part of programs that PARC offers is supplemental instruction, which is a workshop-based 1-unit course that goes hand in hand with large lecture courses that historically have a high failing rate. So as a student, you would attend the large lecture course and then choose to join an SI class that's attached to it. And so that means that after attending the main lecture, you would go to the workshop where you would work with SI leader and a small group of students to review the challenging concepts and content that is covered in the main lecture. And then in addition to that, you can also join Supplemental Instruction Plus, or as we call it, SI Plus, which are basically study sessions before exams or midterms or finals. And the great thing is that basically you're earning a unit for joining a study group. That's what it comes down to. If you attend the SI Plus sessions regularly, at the end of the semester, you will get a unit on your transcript. It is a credit, no credit course. You don't get additional homework. You just regularly meet and study with an SI instructor and the students in the class. And we are proud to say that last year our SI program received national certification, which means that we have met rigorous standards by the UMKC to get certified. So we are extremely proud of the program we are hosting on campus through PARC for this SI. So if you're attending a course that has an SI attached to it, look into it, ask questions, find out more information, and join. If you go to the next slide, you'll see a GPA comparison for the past couple of years. The graph shows the GPA in green and then yellow or gold. So the green is the GPA for students who attended SI sessions in addition to the main lecture, and they got that support. And then the yellow or the gold bar is the GPA of the students who were in the main lecture but did not attend the SI sessions. And so if you look at that chart or graph, you'll see that SI makes a difference. The support we provide students and the study skills we offer to students in those sessions really do make a difference in terms of their study skills and their exam scores.
And finally, we have the Sankofa Intercultural Leadership Workshop. This is a workshop provided by an intercultural workshop leader. To become qualified and eligible to become an intercultural workshop leader, you would need to complete 2 semesters of Dr. Tina's Intercultural Competence course. At the end of the 2nd semester, you will receive an Intercultural Competence certificate. Last fall alone and also last spring alone, we service over 800 students. This is something that is, I would say, a brand new addition to the PARC family, right, Tina?
Right.
This is something that is in highly demand. A lot of faculty members and staff members across campus are requesting for this intercultural competence workshop. And I think it's much needed, especially in times like this, to talk about cultural awareness and cultural identity. I don't know if you want to add on to it, Tina.
The workshop really helps students to kind of figure out or if they don't know their identity, as far as the layers of that identity and how it relates to being in higher education and meeting others who are from a different culture. How do you have that conversation with them about their cultural values, and how do you work together in groups across cultural barriers? So the workshop really just outlines some of the theory is the whole class is based on, but more importantly, giving students the opportunity to discuss their culture and how they come to the university from the community that they're usually from, because our university is so diverse and so many different cultures. So it's nice to talk about those. Students generally get a chance to talk about those, like in ethnic studies or classes that are particularly about, historical perspectives of different groups. But this class gives you the opportunity, or this workshop gives you the opportunity to really talk about your own.
Thank you, Dr. Tina Jordan. Here's the general information for PARC. We're located in Lassen Hall 2200. Our phone number is there, office hours included. Our website, take a look at our website if you haven't been there yet. And our email is parc01@csus.edu. If you have any general questions related to PARC, please email the PARC01 email.